Welcome to my channel. Rangextd Wi-Fi booster not working. 1. Check power connection, ensure the booster is plugged in and the LED lights are on. Try a different power outlet if needed. 2. Restart the booster, unplug the Rangextd Wi-Fi booster, wait for 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. 3. Check Wi-Fi signal strength. If the booster is too far from the router, move it closer to improve signal reception. 4. Ensure correct network connection. Check if your device is connected to the booster's Wi-Fi and not the router's weak signal. 5. Reconnect using WPS method. Press the WPS button on the router, then press the WPS button on the booster to establish a connection. 6. Check for interference. Keep the booster away from microwaves, cordless phones, and thick walls that might block the signal. 7. Forget reconnect to Wi-Fi on your device. Forget the Rangextd network, then reconnect with the correct password. 8. Reset the booster. If issues persist, reset the booster by pressing the reset button for 10 seconds, then reconfigure it. 9. Update router booster firmware. Check if there are firmware updates available for both the router and booster. 10. Reconfigure the booster. Follow the initial setup process again by connecting to the Rangextd Wi-Fi network and completing the setup via a web browser, usually 192.168.7.234. Thank you for watching.